This is Timo the Tiny Turtle. One quiet day, Timo found a tiny maze. Soft moss, little pebbles, small twigs, 2 paths, left, right. Timo looked left. He looked right. Which way should he go? Yesterday, Timo found 2 paths. Today, he chose one. Step, step. The path was quiet. Then, it stopped. No more way. Timo blinked. Should he turn back? The path had ended. So, Timo turned around. Slow step, slow step. Then he saw something small. A hidden pebble path. Was it there before? Timo found a hidden path. Tiny pebbles. Tap, tap. Timo moved slowly. 1 step, then another. Where does this path go? The pebble path changed. Now there was moss. Soft moss. Like a tiny bridge. Timo stopped. The bridge was narrow. Very narrow. Could he cross it? The bridge was narrow, but Timo tried. 1 slow step, then another. The moss felt soft. Timo stayed steady. Ahead, there was light. Was he almost there? Timo crossed the moss bridge. Now he saw something new. Light, soft light. The maze felt quieter. The end was close, but 1 small path remained. Should Timo take it? Timo chose the last path. Step, step. The maze opened. Fresh air, warm light. Timo smiled. He had found the way out. Good job, Timo. See you in the next adventure.